Hi everyone and welcome to Placements Nepal. Today I am excited to share with you an amazing opportunity for a data analysis intern position with a prestigious management consulting firm. This is a remote position so you can work from anywhere in the world. The discussion about this job will be divided into four parts, namely an overview of the job, the responsibility associated with it, the requirements for the position and the application process. It is crucial to pay attention to the entire video to ensure that you grasp all the essential information. So coming to the job, as a data analysis intern, you will be responsible for a range of tasks including data collection, data cleaning and statistical analysis. You will work closely with the analytical and consulting teams and you will have the opportunity to learn from experienced professionals. Coming to the responsibilities, you will collect, clean and analyze data from various sources to support consulting projects. You will assist in the development of data models and statistical analysis to identify trends and insights. You will collaborate with cross-functional teams to gather and analyze data. You will create data visualization and dashboard using tools such as Tableau or Power BI. You will present findings and insight to the consulting team and contribute to the project reports. You will participate in brainstorming sessions and contribute ideas for data-driven solutions. And you will support the team with a general administrative tasks. Coming to the requirement, you should have strong analytical and problem-solving skills. You should be proficient in MS Excel or other data analysis tool. You should have excellent written and verbal communication skills in English. You should be familiar with data analysis principles and practices. You should be able to work independently and as a part of a team. You should have strong organizational skills and the ability to manage multiple projects simultaneously. You should have the knowledge of statistical analysis and techniques, and you should have experience with data visualization tools such as Tableau and Power BI. I will show you how can you grab this fantastic internship opportunity. Click on the link that is provided on the description of this video. Then you will come to this interface and you have to fill some of the of your personal information in this application. First of all, upload your resume, latest resume, write your full name, email, phone, and your current company if you are working. If you are not working, then it's okay, leave it blank. LinkedIn URL, give your LinkedIn URL and give some additional information about you, which can help you and give you an upper hand. After you have filled everything, click on submit button and this application will be submitted to the company, and if you get selected, you will get a response in your mail. So you have to give the email ID correctly. So that's it. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more job and internship related content. Thanks for watching.